Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saws that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Delta's 26-262L Shopmaster 10-in. Miter saw with laser. Shopmaster 10-in. Miter saw with a battery-operated laser that makes aligning the blade to the workpiece more convenient and precise. It features a spindle lock that holds the blade in place during changes. The Shopmaster 10-in. Miter saw is perfect for the dyer in the family or for everyday use. It features a powerful 15-amp motor that cuts through wood like butter and spins the 10-in. The blade at 5,500 RPM. It has denoted stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 30, and 45 degrees. Works with virtually all miter saw stands. Lightweight unit is easy to move from room to room or even from job to job with ease. The battery-powered laser ensures an accurate cut every time. It is all listed and comes with a 3-year warranty. The saw can make left bevel cuts from 0 to 47 degrees. It works virtually with all miter saw stands. At number 4. DEWALT DWS 779 12 inches sliding compound miter saw. The DEWALT DWS 779 12 inches sliding compound miter saw features a powerful 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor that delivers extended power and durability. It has a super-efficient dust collection system that captures over 75% of dust generated. This miter saw also offers an exclusive back fence design which cuts up to 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x12 at 45 degrees. The DEWALT DWS 779 slide compound miter saw is ideal for most cutting applications including crown molding up to 7-1/2 in. This miter saw is designed with a powerful 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor that delivers extended power and durability. The exclusive back fence design cuts up to 2x14 dimensional lumbers at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees. At number 3. Metabo HTPC10FCGS 10 inches compound miter saw. Power tools can get expensive, and miter saws are on the larger, higher-priced end of the spectrum. But with the Metabo HTPC10FCGS, you can get an excellent miter saw at a very affordable price. It's got a smaller 10-inch blade that can't cut through larger lumber, but for anything 2x6 and smaller, it's a great choice. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, it's got plenty of power to cut through anything that the blade will reach through. It's even great for cutting through metals if you switch the blade out. One problem we noticed with a lot of the premium 12-inch miter saws was that they were extremely heavy and bulky. You wouldn't want to move them around often. That's fine for a saw that will spend its life in a workshop, but if you ever move outside of your workspace for a project, then the smaller size and lighter weight of the Metabo C10FCGS will be a blessing that you'll appreciate. Even though it's smaller and cheaper than a lot of the competition, the 5-year warranty should provide peace of mind. For us, it all adds up to the best miter saw for the money. At number 2. DEWALT DWS 780 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. The DEWALT 12 inches double bevel compound miter saw is powered by a 15A 3600 RPM and offers a new precise miter system and machined base fence support for optimal accuracy. Features a new handle design for maximum portability, cam lock miter, detent override, bevel crown stops and is best-in-class capacity. Constructed for easy, hassle-free use, saws capacities are miter 0 to 60 degree left, 0 to 50 degree right, bevel 0 to 48 degree left and right, crosscuts 2x14 on 90 degree and miters 2x10 on 45 degree, base capacity 6.5 left and right with a crown capacity of 6 5/8. Carbide blade, dust bag, wrench and manual, 90-day money-back guarantee, 1-year service, 3-year limited warranty and accessory DW7187 adjustable miter saw laser system included. Weighs 54 pounds. The DWS 780 12-in. Double-bevel sliding compound miter saw has a 15-amp motor and integrated XPS cross-cut positioning system for adjustment-free accurate cut line indication. Tall sliding fences support 7-1/2 in. Of nested crown and 6-3/4 in. Of base molding vertically. Exclusive back fence design cuts up to 2x16 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees. Increased miter capacity of 60 degrees R and 50 degrees L features a durable stainless steel miter detent plate with a cam lock for repeatable accuracy with easy adjustments. At number 1. Bosch 120-volt 12-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw. The Bosch exclusive axial glide offers wider cross-cuts, enhanced alignment, and a smooth glide for the life of the tool. The Bosch miter saw 15-amp motor delivers no-load speeds of 3,800 rpm for quick, accurate cuts in many materials. For added convenience and versatility, the saw is compatible with a variety of 12-in blades and it has a clear lower guard to provide unobstructed cut line visibility. The GCM12SD provides easy adjustments with up-front bevel and miter controls and detents at common angles. The saw's all-metal bevel lock lever and range selector are located up front to make bevel adjustments easy. The GCM12SD miter saw provides easy adjustments with a large easy-to-read uniform bevel and stainless steel miter scales with marked détentes and roof pitch angles, bevel detents, 0, 33.9 degree, 45 degree left, right for accurate cuts, category best 90% dust collection optimized for cutting 2x material with a vacuum. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.